Here we go. Once again, we have the 1851 Navy black powder muzzle loading pistol. We're going to sit there at about 10 yards. Hopefully I can hit. We're going to see what the wound channel is with Mr. Coconut. We got him back. And just see what 25 grains of powder does at about 10 yards. Hopefully I can hit it. But y'all stick around and see if I can. Yay. Alright, here we go. We got Mr. Coconut the Cantaloupe back from the medic. He's back to do another video for us. We're about 10 yards out. We're going to do the wound channel through the... we're going to do the wound channel. That's what we're doing. Take my word for it. Let's see if I can hit this thing. Alright! Kind of what I was expecting. A whole lot of smoke and no lot of show. 1857, 1840, 51. Son of a bitch. Get a pass through. The hole is about the size of the bullet, so not too much going on there. Have a complete pass through of one jug. We didn't have penetration. We got a thump of the next jug. Got the ball right there. No deformity or anything going on whatsoever.